Straight then to the big development from the court corner. The Apex Court today asked exiled CBI Chief Alok Verma to respond to charges levelled against him by the Central Vigilance Commission, terming the 50-page report as a mixed bag and exhaustive one. The Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, told Verma's lawyer that further inquiry was inquired into some of these charges. Let's bring in Ashmit Kumar, who was at that courtroom earlier today and is joining us with the details. Ashmit, what exactly were the other key takeaways from today's hearing, really?
Right, for just the benefit of our viewers, the report that is being spoken of is the CVC's investigation report into the allegations against Alok Verma. Keep in mind that the Apex Court was the one that had directed the CVC to go ahead with this probe, the caveat being it would be headed by a retired Judge Justice A.K. Patnaik. Now, that very report was submitted on Monday earlier this week before the Apex Court, and today was, of course, the hearing. There was a great deal of expectations in terms of clarity that was expected from the Apex Court on the way forward. What we have instead were observations falling from the bench headed by the Chief Justice. Justice Gogoi observed that there appear to be some findings within the CVC report. He's gone through the report. There appear to be some findings which are favorable, which are complementary to Alok Verma. There are other findings on some charges which are not so favorable, which are uncomplimentary. That's the word that had been used by Justice Gogoi. Essentially, the prayer that has been put across by the CVC is that the time wasn't enough, that there are some charges which require further investigations and that they would need more time. Now, the Apex Court remains silent on the prayer for more time. What it has done instead is that it has taken that report and served it upon Alok Verma. Alok Verma will now have to come back and to clarify on the questions, charges that have been levelled, findings of the CVC probe. They will have to, Alok Verma's counsels will have to come clean on that. Meanwhile, Asthana's counsels were also present in the court. They made a vociferous claim, also seeking a copy of that report. Their prayer was explicitly rejected by the Apex Court. The Supreme Court has only served a copy on Alok Verma. He has time till Monday to come back with the reply. On Tuesday, on November 20th, is when the hearing resumes in this case. Back to you.